Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look why your new Samsung Galaxy phone middle frame appears to have scratches. Now as you can see right here, the frame appears to have scratches, as well as the side and the bottoms also may appear to have scratches. You can see right here. Now the reason why it appears to have scratches is because there is a very thin layer of films on it. Now if we remove this film, it will reveal the shiny metal frame underneath. It is aluminum alloy. So let's just remove the film right here, and you can see it's very hard to see, but it is there. You can peel it off. So I'm just trying to get it off now. And you can see that once I peel it off, it will show a beautiful shiny metal frame right there. So this is the film that is covering the frame, so you need to take it off to see how shiny it is. And there's also films on the side as well as the bottom. Now you may or may not want to take it off. Or if you take it off, when you put a case on, over time sands can rub against this metal frame and cause scratches. So you might want to leave it on if there is no need to take it off. And so yeah, that is the reason why it may appear to have scratches. And that is because of this film cover. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.